Enhancing the quality, a guide to improvement. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase, enhance the quality. Whether you're reading a book, writing an email, or having a conversation, understanding this phrase can really help you express yourself more clearly and effectively. So, let's get started and explore what it means to enhance the quality of something. Enhance is a verb that means to improve something, or make it better in some way. Quality, on the other hand, refers to the standard of something as measured against other things of a similar kind. It's about how good or bad something is. When we put these two words together, to enhance the quality means to take steps or actions that make something better, raise its standard, or improve its value in some way. Examples of this phrase in use could include: a company wants to enhance the quality of its products to attract more customers. An artist seeks to enhance the quality of their work to gain more recognition. A teacher aims to enhance the quality of their teaching to better support their students' learning. Enhancing the quality of something can be done in numerous ways, depending on the context. Here are a few general steps that are often involved. 1. Identify the areas for improvement. First, determine what aspects could be better. Is it the material, the method, or something else? 2. Set clear goals. Decide what better looks like. What are the standards you're aiming for? 3. Plan and implement changes. Develop a strategy to reach these goals. This could involve learning new skills, adopting new technologies, or changing how you approach tasks. 4. Evaluate the results. After making changes, assess whether the quality has improved. This might require feedback from others or comparing outcomes to previous standards. Let's look at how the phrase, enhance the quality, can be applied in various scenarios. In education, a school might enhance the quality of education by providing teachers with more training and resources, or by integrating technology into the classroom. In business, a business could enhance the quality of its customer service by training its staff to be more responsive and empathetic towards customers. In personal development, an individual might enhance the quality of their life by adopting healthier habits, such as regular exercise and a balanced diet. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to enhance the quality and how you can apply this concept in various aspects of life. Remember, improving the quality of something is always a worthy endeavor, whether it's in your personal life, in your work, or in the products and services you offer. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.